If you spend as much time as we do out on the trail and well into the night, something like this might be a familiar sight to you. Of course, even in the best conditions, it can be good to have a spotter, someone to be your eyes on the ground and to help guide you through. But in the darkness of night and with your headlights on, it can be pretty tough for those eyes to see anything at all. Needless to say, that's where a good set of rock lights can really come in handy. And as luck would have it, there are tons of great options available. And of all the options out there, these are one of my favorite, LUX lights. While they may not be the cheapest rock lights that you could buy, what I do like about LUX lights is that they are made in Salem, Oregon, using materials sourced in America, or at least as much as possible. And maybe the one thing that I love most about them is that they have these super powerful magnets to secure themselves onto your Jeep. Needless to say, that makes them super easy to install. I should note that the kit that I bought came with 8 lights, and as you can see, 4 of these lights have a standard length cable, and these other lights here, these other 4, come with really long cables to help you reach the back end of a Jeep. So let's get these installed. Grab one of these instead. So that took all of about 2 minutes to install all of my rock lights. Now granted, I will still need to route all the wires to the front of the Jeep and tie it into my Switch Pro's power module, but I'd have to do that with any rock light system. And with most, I'd actually still be working on installing the lights. So now all I gotta do is pare all these wires down into just 2 wires. So as you just saw, I was able to pare everything down into just 2 wires, but honestly, if I had the choice, I wish I had gotten one of these. This is a pro installer kit made by LUX, and among other things, it'll allow you to cleanly hook up to 20 lights and with ease. I would highly recommend you get one. All right, we're just about done. All I need to do is hook this up to my switch pros, and being that I want switch number 1, I'm going to need to find the brown wire. There it is. Pull that guy out. And then I need to hook it up to my red wire here. All right, now we can throw on a ring terminal onto the ground. All right, let's get this connected. All right, I think we're done. Let's go test them out. Okay, turn it on to accessories at least. Lights came on. All right, let's see if they're working. Awesome. And because we have a Switch Pro system, I have an app and I can operate the lights from it. I just turned them off. Turn them back on again. More than just a way to make your Jeep look really cool at night, a good set of rock lights will do wonders to help provide well-needed light and right where it's needed, on the rocks.